So, your iPhone has a feature where you can set up certain phrases or sentences to be triggered by a text shortcut. For example, you could type OMW and it'll turn into on my way. These are fully customizable, so you can add your own, and you can add as many as you want. To set those up, go to Settings, and then under General, you'll scroll down to Keyboard. And there you'll find Text Replacement. Here, you'll see all the existing ones that are currently set up on your phone, and you can tap the plus icon to create new ones. So I could do something like, see you soon, and I'll set the shortcut to be sus, for example. I'll save that, and now when I go to my messaging app, or any app really, when I type sus, it'll write out the full sentence there. These work system-wide, so it's not just for texting. It'll work for emails, making notes, anything that involves the keyboard. Also, it doesn't have to be a phrase like this. It could even be your address, phone number, a link to your company website, whatever. Something you need to share frequently and don't want to fully type out every time. So that is text replacement on the iPhone. Click that like button if this video helped you, subscribe for more easy guides like this, and make sure to send this to a friend who needs to utilize this feature. Thanks all, until next time.